Welcome to the MaxBIT Education Series. Celebrating International Labor Day, honoring workers in the digital age. On May 1st, the world unites to celebrate International Labor Day, a tribute to the hardworking individuals who drive progress across all industries. At MaxBIT, we recognize how technology and connectivity empower modern workers, whether in offices, factories, or remote setups. This year, let's explore how reliable internet transforms labor productivity and why high-speed connectivity is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. How internet technology empowers today's workforce? Remote work revolution. Before, limited by location, slow connections disrupted workflows. Now, fiber optic internet enables seamless Zoom calls, cloud collaboration, and instant file sharing, making remote work efficient. Smart factories and IoT. Cambodia's factories now use IoT sensors for real-time equipment monitoring. Requirement: ultra-low latency internet like MaxBIT's fiber to prevent costly delays. Gig economy growth. Freelancers, designers, drivers, sellers rely on stable internet for platforms like Upwork, remote jobs. Grab, Foodpanda, delivery tracking. E-commerce, online stores. Studies show workers with digital literacy earn 30% plus higher salaries, World Bank. MaxBIT supports this shift with fast, affordable internet for upskilling. We provide the digital backbone for Cambodia's workforce. Fiber optic speed, no buffering during critical tasks. 24/7 uptime, no disruptions during shifts. Free IT support, helping businesses optimize connectivity. Just as machinery revolutionized labor in the 1800s, high-speed internet defines the 21st century workplace. Labor Day special offer? Call 089-866-55E or visit www.maxbit.com.kh. Like, share, and follow. Stay updated with MaxBIT Education,